Before we begin, make sure you are not driving a vehicle. Sober-minded, you will step into restorative hypnosis. The effectiveness of this program is enhanced with regular practice. I close my eyes. Relax. I relax. As you breathe, you take in the energy of the earth. Your physical body. You will learn positive affirmations toward the dissolution of your pathological behavior. You will no longer chew on your fingers. Others may believe that you cannot change. Your countless failures loom dark, but you can change. In the cuticle beds of your fingers, you have a future. Self-doubt has no place here. I have healthy fingernails. I can scratch my head. I have healthy fingernails. I can open a fizzy pop with my fingers. That fizzy pop can gives me no trouble. I have healthy fingernails. The tips of my fingers are not fleshy knobs. I can scratch my head with my healthy fingernails. Relax. When I wake up, I will not chew on my fingernails. Inevitably, I will find my fingers in my mouth, but I will not finish that hangnail. As difficult as it is, I will let that hangnail be, because I have a future. Fingernails. I will scratch my head. I will never use my teeth to open a fizzy pop can tab ever again. No longer will I have to reach for my car keys to open a fizzy pop can tab. I have healthy fingernails. I have a future. Relax. Relax. Your cuticle beds have not given up on you. We believe in you. There is a future in the cells of your cuticle beds. Through the regular practice of this meditation, you will dissolve your pathological disorder. Produce fingernails. Your fingernails are counting on you. Produce fingernails. As you wake up, you may not remember everything that was learned in your subconscious. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,